Investing your money can be among the easiest ways to build wealth over time, but the truth is, the platform you're using can have a huge impact on your financial future because it can directly influence the way you view your risk tolerance, time horizon, and overall goals that are among the most important factors toward building true wealth when it comes to investing in the markets. Because of that, I use my own ranking system, with the largest factors being from fees and costs, security and reliability, the types of accounts and investments that they offer, the ease of use, overall ethics and transparency, other research and investment tools available, how strong of a customer support they have, customer reviews, minimums required, and any potential promotions that are offered. Now, something to be aware of is that because of sign-up bonuses offered by many of the new investing platforms, many all over the internet are strictly pushing apps that don't necessarily influence a strong foundation to building wealth, as many encourage stock picking to outbeat the market, when in reality, blindfolded monkeys throwing darts at a financial newspaper can do just as well as ones carefully selected by experts. The reason I emphasize this and the importance of understanding where you have your money placed is because at the beginning of my career, I followed the hype as well without having the top priority to the best platforms and investments that are crucial for building a strong foundation for your financial future. With that said, to get straight to it, the first platform is Fidelity, that I computed a 4.9 out of 5-star rating, as I believe it is the best overall online broker. Now, of all the platforms I'm showing in this video, Fidelity has the most history to them, as the company we see today was initially founded in 1946. The company has more than 77,000 associates, with a presence of 11 countries across North America, Europe, Asia, and Australia. And if you're worried about credibility, Fidelity is one of the largest brokerage firms in the market, helping over 50 million people feel more confident with their financial goals. Now, to start this off with the pros to using Fidelity, the first thing I love is that they offer a wide variety of accounts and investment types to consider. As you can see on the left tab, there are numerous categories you could choose from, as well as different types of management services that they offer. So whether you're looking to invest on your own with a traditional brokerage account, start a Roth IRA, go beyond banking by using their cash management account, or even consider their top industry rated health savings account, where you can also invest for future medical expenses. And if you're one looking for wealth management services, or even a robo-advisor that they refer to as Fidelity Go, for most of the things that you need, Fidelity probably offers it. Which, unlike many of the new investing platforms, Fidelity also has in-person branch locations that they refer to as investor centers, and you can easily look up online to see if they have one near you. Besides that, Fidelity also offers a ton of investment opportunities, such as mutual funds, options trading, crypto, and even fixed income securities like bonds and CDs. Many of their products have no fees to trade, their accounts have no fees or minimum balances required, where they also provide many automated tools and the ability to easily buy fractional shares. Another thing I love is how they easily allow your core position to automatically be a money market fund, so that any cash that you have sitting can automatically earn interest, where you can currently earn a yield around 4%. Now, I could talk a lot more about Fidelity, but to prevent this video from being super long, they also have a great customer service where you can easily call in to get something fixed, and their mobile app and desktop platform, I believe, are one of the easiest to use in the industry. Where the cons to Fidelity include that they have no futures trading, no paper trading or simulation tools, their broker assisted trades can be costly, and although they do have an active Trader Pro platform, if you are one looking to do more advanced trading, there are better places for that I'll be mentioning later in the video. But as far as Fidelity, the reason I love the platform and have stuck with it for years is that the choices I've made using their platform, I've always felt were wiser and better overall financial decisions. Where many other platforms, I found myself bouncing around, where in reality, when you pick the best ones for what you want to stick with, I feel there is a psychological benefit to it. Knowing that, the next one on my list is Charles Schwab, which I computed to have a 4.8 out of 5-star rating, and I believe this is best for traditional investing. Now, Charles Schwab is another brokerage firm that has been around for many years, started by Charles Schwab himself, where the company has been operating for more than 50 years. And just like Fidelity, Charles Schwab offers many great accounts as well, such as their traditional brokerage account, where you can invest in stocks, fractional shares, mutual funds, ETFs, index funds, bonds, and more. Where they have many retirement accounts, automatic investing features, accounts for your kids' future, and many other strong accounts to consider using. On top of that, they also offer customer support through call and chat, where they also have in-person branch locations that you could check out. They also have zero fees for online trades and 65 cents per options contract, just like Fidelity's, where the accounts come with no minimums or hidden fees. They also have a highly rated trading platform called Thinkorswim for those advanced traders, and even for those looking to try out paper trading, which they are also known for providing many learning tools on a large variety of topics. Now, one area I also like about Charles Schwab Schwab, although I have not yet experienced it myself, is that they are known to have a very credible and smooth process for those looking to use an S-block. An S-block stands for a securities-backed line of credit, where Charles Schwab refers to it as a pledged asset line, which means you are able to take a line of credit that allows you to borrow against non-retirement assets in your portfolio without having to liquidate your investments. This would allow you to avoid triggering capital gains taxes, and it gives your portfolio the potential to outgrow the interest rates charged on the borrowed funds. Think of it like using your investments as collateral to borrow funds for things like a new home, renovations, or a new business startup. And what I really like here is that they provide a lot of guidance and clarity on how this works and how they determine the interest rates they charge for this, where many other brokers are not as transparent. And another reason why I like this even more is because they provide this service through their own Charles Schwab bank, rather than most that do it through a third-party provider. But please be aware that other brokerages do offer competitive rates and solid overall options for S-blocks, and I'm not saying Schwab is the best. But with all that to say about Charles Schwab, some of the cons to know about include the fact that they have fractional share investing, but there are more limitations on it when compared to other brokerages that can make things pretty annoying. They also do not offer a core position money market fund like Fidelity, and if you're looking to trade over-the-counter stocks or use broker-assisted services, the fees can also end up being pretty costly. Knowing that, moving on to the number 3 platform is SoFi with a 4.7 out of 5-star rating, and I believe this one is best for user-friendly investing. Now, SoFi is among my favorite platform when it comes to their simple display and ease of use to manage finances between their popular high-yield savings account and investing platform. And so with their investing platform, they're very competitive with their fees. They also have no account minimums required. They offer numerous accounts such as active investing on your own, their own robo-advisor, retirement accounts like the popular IRAs, and even access to financial planners. They also have a subscription called SoFi Plus that allows unlimited calls with a financial planner, a 1% match on all recurring invest deposits that you make, and many other potential benefits. Aside from that, you can also invest in fractional shares with at least $5, which is super simple, as well as having simple automated features like setting up recurring investments, which they are also known for offering competitive sign-up bonuses where you can currently get up to $1,000 in stock when you fund a new account. But the cons for SoFi include the fact that they have no physical branch locations, which is how most of the new investing platforms are. And aside from that, they do not offer paper trading, they have limited portfolio analysis tools, and the cash sitting in the account earns nearly no interest. All in all, SoFi is a great choice for those looking for simple investing that is easy to understand, especially if you are already using their high-yield savings account to manage your finances all in one place. Knowing that, moving on to the number 4 platform is Webull with a 4.6 out of 5-star rating, and I believe this one is best for active trading. Now, Webull is one I've used for quite a while for trading individual stocks and options, where I find their platform display and customizable tools to be very simple and easy to use, especially once you get the hang of it. The company offers a variety of investment products to consider, where you can easily trade stocks and ETFs, over-the-counter securities, have a simple cash management account, a very easy to use options trading platform with no contract fees or commission on stocks and ETF options. They have IRAs, futures trading, Webull advisors powered by BlackRock, that is a robo-advisor feature that provides personalized portfolio strategies. You can also set up recurring investments and use any of the 3 platforms they offer. The customizable display they offer includes many unique charts and tools that you can adjust however you'd like to create your favorite setup with the most relevant information based on your needs, and they also have a very easy to use paper trading platform to test things out. They also offer a Webull Premium membership that offers the opportunity to earn even more in select areas, so depending on what exactly you may be looking for, this could be something interesting to learn more about. Which they're also known to offer solid promotions for those just getting started or even transferring an account to Webull. But some of the cons to Webull include the fact that if you want to trade crypto, you need to use their separate app that is Webull Pay. They also have a limited amount of account types, as they're missing ones like custodial or self-employed accounts, and unless you are a Webull Premium member or have over $25,000 in your account, the amount of interest earned on uninvested cash is 0.5%. But all in all, Webull is a solid choice for beginners and active traders that want a simple yet powerful platform to customize tools and stay up to date with market data. Moving on from there, the number 5 platform is Coinbase with a 4.5 out of 5-star rating, as this platform is best for crypto investing. Now, Coinbase is among the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the market, as they offer a variety of assets to invest in that come out to be over 18,000 different types. Their platform offers a variety of powerful tools, and although they do have relatively high fees that I'll mention shortly, if you are a Coinbase One member, you can get much better benefits, where they also offer a Coinbase wallet that allows you to store store your crypto in your own personal crypto wallet, and they also offer for new users to spin a wheel to get up to $200 in crypto. On top of that, they also offer staking on assets so that you can lock up your crypto and earn additional interest in the meantime. And if you are one interested to frequently trade crypto, the Coinbase One subscription may be very intriguing to you since you unlock zero trading fees on hundreds of assets and a few other benefits that depend on your crypto usage that may very well be worth considering. But even though Coinbase is among the most credible and highly used crypto exchanges, understand that the fees can add up significantly and the cost structure can easily come off as confusing. And aside from some data breaches that aren't uncommon in the crypto world, Coinbase is one of the strongest choices to consider when it comes to investing in crypto. But knowing that, moving on to the number 6 platform is Interactive Brokers with a 4.4 out of 5-star rating, as this platform is the best for advanced trading. Now, Interactive Brokers offers worldwide trading to 160 different markets, 36 countries, and 28 currencies, where they have some of the top-rated trading platforms available in the market, whether you have beginner to immediate skills or want to use their more advanced platforms that make them among the best for overall trading features. And when it comes to stocks, they charge $0 commissions with no added spreads, ticket charges, platform fees, or account minimums. The same follows with ETFs. For options, they charge between 15 cents to 65 cents per contract, where you can also see that they offer many other investment products that you may be interested to learn more about. On top of that, they are also known to offer some of the most competitive margin rates in the industry, where they offer an easy way to use fractional shares on things like US, Canadian, or European stock or ETFs where available. And for those interested in taking things to the next level, they offer both the IBKR Lite version that is free and a paid IBKR Pro version, where the Pro version offers many more benefits like reduced rates and better overall cost with trades. But the downsides are that if you are a beginner, the platform definitely has a learning curve due to all the advanced tools and features that they offer, and they do allow cash balances to earn interest, but in order to earn that interest, you need at least $10,000, and the amount goes up the more you have. All in all, with the advanced features and powerful trading tools, Interactive Brokers is among the best broker to consider if you are a serious investor. Moving on from that, the number 7 platform is Public.com with a 4.3 out of 5-star rating that is best for general investing. Now, Public.com is a super easy to use platform with great reviews that provides many different investment products, from stocks to treasuries to their bond account that continues to offer competitive rates for investors. On top of that, they also offer options trading, a high yield cash account, and many other simple and easy to use features for all types of investors. Public also offers fractional shares for orders larger than $5 and standard fees like no commissions on trades made during market hours, as well as for options related to stocks and ETFs, which they have an upgraded options trading platform that includes advanced tools, zero commissions, and rebates on your trades, where you can easily learn more by scrolling around their page. They also offer a unique alpha tool that uses AI to assist with research and other investing insights that you may find helpful. And lastly, just know that the more your account grows in value, so does your experience on Public, as they offer more and more tools and priorities to those with higher account values. Where some of the cons include that they have a lack of research and analysis tools when compared to top brokerages, they lack investment products like mutual funds or futures trading, and they do not offer any type of robo-advisor. But altogether, Public is an excellent choice for those looking for a simple, straightforward investing platform that also provides easy access to high-yield bonds and treasury products. Knowing that about Public, the next platform you may or may not find surprising to be at number 8 is Vanguard with a 4.2 out of 5-star rating that is best for retirement investing. Now, Vanguard, just like Charles Schwab and Fidelity, has been around for quite some time, with it currently being their 50th year anniversary. And although they are known to have the best low-cost index funds in the market due to the power of economies of scale, they control over 50% of all index fund assets, then BlackRock at 20% and State Street. In fact, Vanguard alone owns more than 8% of every public company in the US, which I dove deep into this on another video. If you want to check that out, I'll have that linked in the description below. And I will say, if you are finding value in this content, all I ask is that you consider hitting the like and subscribe button for future content like this. But to start it off, Vanguard is a very credible brokerage firm. They offer some of the best investment products and retirement features in the market. They are a very professional company to use, especially for high net worth individuals, and they also offer easy access to purchase mutual funds, ETFs, money market funds, stocks, and even fixed income securities like CDs and bonds. They even have over 50 million investors, so don't get me wrong, they are a top brokerage firm to consider, and I highly recommend at least picking one of the 3 brokerage firms between Fidelity, Charles Schwab, and Vanguard for retirement and other tax advantaged accounts. The reason I say that is because these brokerages, among them all, seem to me as the most professional and credible ones to stick with long term. And like I said, I feel like that has somewhat of a psychological benefit to it as well. And so the overall benefits and features with Vanguard are very similar to Fidelity and Charles Schwab, but the reason I rank them lower is because their trading platform is less user-friendly. They have no fractional shares allowed for individual stocks and non-Vanguard ETFs. They're definitely more long-term focused as they have limited support for active trading, and above all, many of their mutual funds require a minimum amount to invest, or most require a minimum of $1,000 to $3,000 to start, which their customer service is also viewed by many as below average, especially when compared to Fidelity and Charles Schwab. Knowing that, let's move on to the number 9 platform, that is Robinhood, also with a 4.2 out of 5-star rating, as Robinhood is best for simple investing. Now, Robinhood is among the simplest, potentially easiest platforms to invest, where they offer trading, investing, crypto, retirement accounts, options, futures, and many other products. They state to have 24/7 customer support, no commission on stocks, ETFs, and options. They offer a bonus stock when you first get started, where they offer a clean platform, and many other features where they push the Robinhood Gold membership very heavily, with benefits like interest on cash, bigger instant deposits, benefits with margin, and advanced market data and research. And you can also get a Robinhood Gold credit card where you can earn 3% back on all categories, and the Gold membership is priced at $5 per month. Besides that, with Robinhood, you can make fractional share purchases that are valued at least $1, and you can also set up recurring transfers very easily. And with all the features they offer, they have resources for each of these areas to learn more about, such as extended trading hours, market orders, limit orders, dividend reinvestments, and many more. But of the cons, Robinhood does not offer mutual funds or fixed income securities. Without a Gold membership, features are much more limited, the platform lacks depth for advanced traders, and they are less transparent in key areas, like a few years ago, back when the SEC charged Robinhood for misleading customers about revenue sources, or even crazier in 2021 when Robinhood froze the ability to purchase several stocks like GameStop, AMC, BlackBerry, and a few others that impacted a lot of investors. All in all, if you are looking to be a casual investor who wants a stress-free way to invest with the simplicity that they offer, Robinhood may be among the top option to consider. Knowing that, the last platform to discuss, number 10, is M1 Finance with a flat 4.4 out of 5-star rating, as this platform is best for automated investing. Now, the biggest benefit to using M1 Finance is that they offer the simplest ability to build your own portfolio, as they refer to it as building your own pie, allowing you to easily choose your stocks, funds, or crypto to build an entire portfolio that you can automate. The platform has zero commission fees, dynamic rebalancing of your portfolio, easy access to add or remove slices of your pie at any time, while seeing everything cleanly on their platform. They also offer many of the traditional brokerage and retirement accounts, and crypto that is offered from the third-party provider Backed, which you can also roll over your retirement plan to M1, and they even allow you to borrow against your account. Now, the platform is super simple to manage, but the cons include the fact that they're solely for long-term investing, as they don't offer options, futures, mutual funds, and many other investment products. They also only allow trades to go through twice per day, once at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, and second at 3 p.m. The intention of their platform is also why they don't offer any financial advising services, and be aware that they charge $3 per month in fees if your account is under $10,000. All in all, M1 Finance is a great long-term platform to use and set up automations with their pie slice features. But understand there are certain rules and restrictions that may limit your flexibility with this account. Now, if you are interested to get started with any of these accounts, I'll have a direct link in the description below for you to learn more about each and get started, which I will say, depending on the one you choose, I may earn a commission for it, which is greatly appreciated. End of the day, I want you to do what's best for your finances, and do know that I've created many free investing guides and other relevant videos like this that I think you could greatly benefit from, which I'll have everything linked in the description of this video. And as always, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and notifications button for future content like this.